Yeah, hey YouTube, so I'm in my bathroom right now, showing you a video of how to repair your DVD. I have Fallout right here. I let my friend borrow it, and well, the day I got home and tried to play it, it had these things on it. Scratches, scratches, scratches. So, well, I'm not sure how to do this, but I looked up on YouTube. Some people said rubbing peanut butter and toothpaste on it will work. But right now, I'm gonna try to do it with toothpaste. So, hold on, let me see. Yeah, that's good. I have some Glister. Glister. If this doesn't work, I am going to kill my friend. Um, some of the YouTubers told me to rub it from inside out, where the scratches are, like that. Which is pretty much everywhere, because, you know. Now I'm going to. You're gonna wanna wash that from inside out too. I'm not sure how it helped, but it's definitely gotten more what you would call shiny, I guess. Didn't do anything to the scratches though. I'm probably gonna have to repeat this like 10, 15 times. I don't know if it gets better. It's not getting any better. Ish. Damn. I'm going to try it. If it doesn't get her, I am punching my friend in the face. Because this is the only Xbox 360 game I have, and now I am pissed. Okay. I am inserting Fallout 3. If this does not work, I will still kill him. If it works, I'm going to stab him in the throat. Read it. I tried this. I tried playing on it before, what was it? Now I put toothpaste on it and rubbed all over it. And it kept on freezing when I got near Tenpenny Tower. So, and, well, if this doesn't work, I'm not uploading Fallout 3 videos for a long time. So I can buy a new copy of Fallout 3. Continue. Yes. So, I have 3 profiles so far. The first one I already beat it, and I did it in neutral karma. Right now I'm doing it in, what was it? Bad karma. Right now I didn't even make the Wasteland survival guide thingy, and I just blew up Megaton. And then, now I have to kill this guy named Roy Phillips. If it doesn't freeze until the end of this game, well, I'm in luck, I guess. Yay, it works-ish. Tenpenny Tower. Now it's making these weird noises on my Xbox. I am still pissed because it will not work, I think. Glowing one is a unique ferro gold that has become a living conduct of radiation. I never knew what radiation was. Like, exactly. All I knew it was bad. Until I started talking to my friends, and they were like, you do know radiation burns off your skin and kills skin cells. Well, now I know what it does. Woo! Yeah. See, now it takes freaking long to load. So, now, last time I tried, it froze when I talked to this thing. Yeah. Shit. It froze again. Oh my god, really? The radio's still on. Hello? Ah, crap.